whenever we are trying to do something new, whenever we want to get into an unknown territory, we get afraid or we get fearful is because we do not understand what is there for us. What are the kind of problems that are there for us? We do not just understand the things that are there behind that. And this inability to understand things creates a sense of fear within us. Are you fearful? Are you afraid of something? The reason for every failure somewhere is fear. Because we fear about doing something, we fear about trying something new, we are afraid of going into an unknown area, we are fearful or we are afraid about trying something new. But what exactly causes this fear? What exactly brings in this fear sensation, this sensation of fearfulness, and we become afraid of doing something? What exactly is there behind this fear word? What exactly is there behind this afraid word? It is that we do not understand something. Because we do not understand something, we fear about it. Because we do not understand something, we are afraid of that thing. Because we do not understand how a snake would react in given circumstance, we are afraid of a snake. We do not know how poisonous that snake's bite would be, we are afraid. We are fearful. If we know, we will not be afraid and fearful. So similarly, whenever we are trying to do something new, whenever we want to get into an unknown territory, we get afraid or we get fearful is because we do not understand what is there for us. What are the kind of problems that are there for us? We do not just understand the things that are there behind that. And this inability to understand things creates a sense of fear within us. So if we go a little deep, dig a little deep, and make sure that we understand what we want to do, we understand what the risks are, we understand what the rewards are, and we understand that thing inside out, we will no longer be fearful. We will no longer be afraid of trying new things. We will no longer be afraid of doing new things. And that is how successful people are. They understand things. They just do not jump into doing things, but they do their study. They understand. They dig deep and understand things. And when they have understood it completely, they have understood the risks associated with it. They have understood the rewards associated with it. And that is when they jump into doing it. They do not have a fear about it. They are no longer afraid about doing that thing. You might be afraid, you might be fearful about taking that opportunity because you have not understood that opportunity yet. But the other person who was quick in taking or grabbing that opportunity was because he took time to understand the situation, to understand the opportunity, to calculate the risks and the rewards and jump on and took the opportunity. But you kept on thinking from your mind or heart and have some gut feeling, I should or I should not, I should or I should not. What if I fail? What if I fail? What if I fail? What if I don't do? What if I'm not able to make through? And you just do not take the opportunity, or just you remain confused. And what happens when you remain so confused is that most of the times you will end up taking an opportunity that had more risks and less rewards, because you're not doing things based on the understanding, based on the study, based on digging deep into that opportunity, but you are doing it based on what you think is right and what you think is not right, based on what somebody else is doing, because that person took the opportunity, I should also be taking it. But you do not know why the other person took that opportunity. Maybe he had some particular set of skills which you do not have, and that is what made him good. That is what made him less of that is something that made that opportunity for him to be less risky. But for you it is more risky because you do not have that skill set. So you need to first dig in, understand it well, figure out what the risk and the reward ratio is, and only then jump on to taking the opportunity. most of us fail at doing this. Most of us do it like we are playing some game about whenever it comes about taking an opportunity. Oh, I should not, I'll speak to 5 different people and just I'll make a decision that okay, I should be going for it or I should not be going for it. I'll never dig deep, I'll never do my part of study, I'll never do what is supposed to be done to take the fear away. Rather, I will be calling a few people and get comfortable with my decision, convince them to say a yes or a no, what we want them to say, and based on that comfort level we make a decision of taking the opportunity or not taking the opportunity. But if I was there, I would have dug deep into it, found out what the risk and reward ratios are, and accordingly taken up the opportunity. So before you are fearful the next time, before you are afraid of doing anything the next time, make sure that you understand things well. And the moment you will understand things well, you will no longer be fearful or afraid about anything ever in your life. Make sense? Yes? Okay. So let me know if you have any questions, any queries about getting afraid, about getting fearful, about the new opportunities in your life, about anything, and I'll be helping you with that. Until then, have a good day with me, Savan Kumar. Bye-bye.